Welcome to Stayf Draws. I'm Steven de Groot, a Dutch illustrator and animator, and in this video I'm going to show you my Patreon page. You now can support me and get even longer video tutorials. I've been making video tutorials for over 3 years now for Stayf Draws, and I've published around 300 videos about the basics of drawing and how to make animations from existing illustrations, and especially drawing on the iPad with the Apple Pencil. But I want to take Stayf Draws to a next level, to make more extended videos about how to animate and especially how to draw and paint on the iPad in Procreate and other drawing apps. And you can help me out by supporting me on my Patreon page. And I will just go over the site for a moment. Sneak peek. You can support me for $1 per month. So when I post a new drawing or painting tutorial, you'll get a full description of the tutorial with high-res images and a PDF file. Bigger peek. For $3 a month, you'll get a full description of the tutorial, the PDF, but also the work file with all the layers. Total view. For $5 a month you'll get all of the above, and you can exclusively watch an in-depth video tutorial about how I created the image or animation. These video tutorials are done in real time, so you will see the whole process. You will also get the custom brushes I've made or the brushes I've used to create this piece of art and the swatches. So if you really like the video tutorials I'm making on this YouTube channel and want to support me, then go to Patreon and find a tier you like. Drawing is fun and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!